Hey guys, Jordan here with Mongo Attachments. I have our 27-inch High Inertia Plus flail head mulcher. I mean, we call it different things. Technically, it is a flail, but this thing, as you'll see, does way more than a traditional flail. So we just call it a flail mulcher. We're running this on our Takeuchi TB370. We can put these on a machine anywhere from a 3 to 15 ton machine. So I'll get in here and play around. Just playing around with some brush, a lot we've been clearing. So these things are great for ditches, ponds, banks, and light forestry applications. We rate this for 4-inch material. You can do more or less depending on hardwood, softwood, moisture content. One of the nice things about this is the hammers are a lot cheaper to replace than, say, your traditional planer style forestry teeth. So you can get this thing in the dirt and you can beat on it a lot more. Trying to play with it here. This has our thumb buddy on it, which is optional. It's more of a rake than to be used with the thumb. If you do have a thumb, which we obviously don't on this machine, you can use it to pick bigger stuff up, but it's more of a thumb rake. Not that this is necessarily made to do this, but we'll run it on this bigger piece here. Just play around with it. I mean, this thing is not necessarily meant to do this all day, but you can do it for half the price of a forestry head. So guys, this is a demo unit that ends up on a lot of different machines. That's why it's a 27-inch. So the first thing people like to do when they see anything on YouTube is go, oh my gosh, all the slack in the hose. We know, we get it. We get it. The hoses are way too long for this setup. But like I said, this is a demo unit. It ends up on a bunch of different machines. We do custom hoses depending on the exact make and model that it's going on. If you're opting not to run the thumb buddy, then the hoses are going to come out right here. They'll go straight to your connections. When you do run the thumb buddy, it goes right in between this cavity here and loops around so it's out of the way. Like I said, these hoses are way too long. We know that. While we're here, just do a quick overview. Like I said, this is our 27-inch. Easy to maintain. Couple grease zerks. Grease it every 4 hours. Like I said, this is going to be good for grass. And then we rate it up to 4-inch material. Like, yeah, I was doing more than 4-inch, but for the guy that needs to be able to do, you know, light forestry applications, but mainly is going to be using this for a lot of mowing, field edge maintenance, this is going to do 90% of what you need it to do. So you want to take a shot around the other side. Does have an adjustable gate. It's closed all the way right now. You do need to run a case drain. All of our units now besides our rotary cutters in our forestry lineup, we do require a K-strain. We switched to some high performance motors on our High Inertia Plus series. When you run a K-strain, real simple, you don't blow up seals. So we require a K-strain. We do build custom K-strain kits in-house, so that's not a problem, but it just eliminates the major issue with these, which is hydraulic seals. 317-799-1040, or check us out at mongoattachments.com.